Si Kristo gibautismohan, kinahanglan ang usang Kristiyano magpabautismo pod. Ingon ko karon, mangutana ko ninyo. Si Kristo dihang nabautismohan siya, unsa may relihiyon ni Kristo? Because kung bautismohan ka, either be before the baptism, you don't have a religion or you have an old religion. A person prior to the baptism, it's either he has a religion or wala siyang relihiyon. After the baptism, a person enter into a new religion. Okay, if Jesus Christ really, it's true that Jesus Christ had been baptized, the question is, before the baptism of Jesus Christ, what was the religion of Jesus Christ? And after the baptism, what was the religion of Jesus Christ after the baptism? No one can tell us. Walang pastor musulti sa relihiyon ni Kristo after the baptism. Sa Seventh Day Adventist, doktrinahan ka 27 or 28 doctrines, and after that you will be baptized. After that, some pastor will say, now you are a Seventh Day Adventist. Ang bata karon bag-ong nga tao, bunyagan, pagkahuman, miingon nga ikaw karon usa na ka matuod, kompleto nga Kristiyano. Mausa sa Baptist, Methodist. So, question is, if really Jesus Christ was baptized in the river of Jordan, after the baptism of Jesus Christ, what was his religion? Mayroong Biblia tinatawag New and Old Testament. Unsa may relihiyon ni Kristo according to the New Testament? Ha? Unsa relihiyon ni Pedro? Unsa relihiyon ni Marcos? O unsa relihiyon the disciples of Jesus Christ? Si Marcos dili man disipulo, si Lucas dili po disipulo, si Juan, si Mateo, unsa may relihiyon nila? Sila ni Andrew, sila pa ni Philip, unsa may relihiyon nila? Si Judas nga nagtaksil ni Kristo, unsay relihiyon?